In Modus, we have designed our intelligence layer to help manage sourcing and transformation efficiency. For businesses where multiple brands must work with multiple retailers and channels, and vice versa, there is a complexity in managing sourcing efficiently. Brands look at it from their own point of view and define their governance, while retailers manage their own schedules and dedicated delivery time slots. This creates significant pressure on sourcing operations. On top of that, managing changes such as tariffs adds further complexity. We have mapped a way to structure these challenges, define value chains, and build operating models that help us understand the full capability landscape. Once defined, we layer it with end-to-end intelligence, what we call the operating model intelligence. This intelligence layer includes our proprietary bots that look at strategy, operating models, change portfolios, and transformation intelligence. We also integrate and fine-tune external intelligence agents where necessary. In this example, focusing on retail fashion, we connect our intelligence to the value chain to manage the product launch and sourcing lifecycle. Processes are automatically picked up and connected to existing projects, programs, or changes, ensuring cross-functional impacts are clearly understood. The system can also automatically assign relevant rules. We have pre-selected transformation conditions. In this scenario, we aim to understand the impact of tariffs, for example, shipping jeans from China to the US, specifically New York. We can connect this analysis to operational data inputs. For now, we simulate based on forecasted demand and supply positions. With this data, users can run intelligence queries, such as: we want to source 100,000 units of jeans from China to the US. Based on tariff changes, figure out the viability of this and identify what countermeasures can be taken. Also, populate the cost, working based on the countermeasures. The system will suggest countermeasures, populate cost models, and help in decision-making. When we run the analysis, it provides a clear picture of the current situation, defines the impact on strategy, value chains, and processes, and shows where we stand. For example, if we want to increase the profit from a parameter of 2 to 4 as an efficiency index, what has to be done? It will implement the necessary measures and indicate the actions required to increase the profit capability from a 2 to 4 efficiency index. Additionally, it will suggest countermeasures that can be integrated back into the value chain, allowing the process to be effectively executed. The system also has the ability to capture any intelligence, including environmental impacts, which enables users to quickly analyze existing operations and generate what-if scenarios. Once these scenarios are analyzed, the insights can be reflected back into the value chain, facilitating necessary changes. From there, we can execute transformation portfolios to bring about changes across the sourcing, supplier, and buying bases. This helps define the structure of the programs and projects we need to run, unlocking the change initiatives required. In summary, it offers a streamlined approach for conducting what-if analysis and laying out a transformation strategy, essentially enabling a smooth transformation process. For more details, reach out to us. Modus